Today, we have an exciting face-off between two groundbreaking foldable smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. Join us as we delve into the details and help you decide which one might be the perfect fit for you. When it comes to affordability, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 often comes to mind. However, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3, available primarily in China, is a formidable competitor, showcasing impressive features that might just challenge the Galaxy Z Fold 5's reign. Let's start with the design. Both phones unfold from a compact, thick form to a mini tablet. Samsung boasts a revamped hinge, allowing the Z Fold 5 to fold flat with no gap, presenting an elegant design. On the other hand, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3 goes further, achieving a slimmer profile and a unique textured glass back. However, it lacks official ingress protection. Moving on to the displays, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 impresses with a larger outer AMOLED screen, providing a more comfortable aspect ratio for holding. On the inside, it's the Mix Fold 3 again with a larger screen. However, the Z Fold 5 conceals its selfie camera under the display, creating a seamless design. The display quality is almost identical in terms of brightness, but the Mix Fold 3 supports Dolby Vision. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 runs on Samsung's One UI, tailored for foldable phones, offering an unparalleled multitasking experience. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 operates on Xiaomi's MIUI, with unique foldable-specific features. However, it lacks Google services outside China, which might be a drawback for international users. Looking at the cameras, both phones boast a 50-megapixel main camera, but Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3 adds an extra telephoto zoom lens, enhancing its versatility. In terms of photo quality, Xiaomi offers more natural-looking pictures with wider dynamic range. However, Samsung's Z Fold 5 shines in the selfie department. When it comes to battery life and charging, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 outshines the Z Fold 5, providing impressive endurance and faster charging. Xiaomi's charger is included in the box, unlike Samsung. In conclusion, both phones have their unique strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your preferences. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 stands out with its hardware features, but its limited availability might be a drawback for many. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers top-notch multitasking and additional perks like waterproofing and stylus support, making it a compelling choice. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights. See you next time.